Yes, just wanted to do a tutorial on your back office. So again, up here, what you want to be doing is logging into your affiliates program, fill in your email, password, log in. Once you've logged in, you're going to get a menu over on the left-hand side over here. You're going to get reports. So what you can be looking at is you can look at your trend reports, seeing how many people come on per day. You can look at your commissions of what you're getting paid. You can look at raw clicks, just how many people have kind of looked at each day. And then you can look at your payouts to you. Again, once you have hit $100 in approved unpaid commission, there'll be a button under here that says your payment request was sent. You'll see there'll be another button underneath here, request for payment, and just be aware that you need $100 worth of commissions to be paid for, and that's usually about 25 people. Could be a little bit more. If you ever wanted to promote the program, over here on your left is you have banners and links. So if you ever wanted to promote it on your social media platforms, you have all these different ones to choose from. Uh, you can get, in New York if you'd like, or you can do New Jersey. All these different ones that you have, just grab the banner link or the code, or you can share it on Facebook, Pinterest, or X, even also share it in LinkedIn. Um, and that's pretty much it for your back office. If you have any questions, they do have a support line. You can give the support line a call, but pretty much everything is pretty much set right here for you in your back office for you to take a look at as you're going along. Thanks for watching.